Flooded roadways cause problems in Breathitt County. Cross drains, the culverts and pipes beneath the roadways, can only handle so much water in a given time period. Many became stopped up, causing flooding on roads and driveways. Officials say drivers should still be careful out there tonight.
As much rain as we've had this morning, as quick as it's came, there will be water in different areas standing in the roadway. And we've had a lot of phone calls about mudslides, so that's another reason to slow down. You may come around a curve in some areas and could be mud or even trees in the road.
Crews with the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet have been out all day monitoring the situation.